What's going on YouTube? Joshua here with saltyscales.com. So this time last year, I created a bottle top lure. It was a huge success. Almost what? 800,000 views? Holy smokes. So I figured what I would do is go one up and do a spinner bottle top lure and show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to tie this in under 5 minutes. But before I do, I want to say thank you to K&H Fishing. You are the top commenter for the last video. Now, I appreciate all you guys that are notification squad and that go and like and comment on the videos. You guys truly appreciate it. Sometimes that's what gives me the motivation to get another video out sooner. Now, there is something out of place. Did you spot it? First one to spot it and comment below, I'm going to send out something free. It's going to be a little prize, maybe a lure, hat, maybe a bottle cap lure. Now that's going to be your new lucky lure. First one to comment below and finds what's out of place, I'm sending you a bottle cap lure. So comment below, let's jump in. I'm going to show you how to do this under 5 minutes. So the very first thing that I want to do is go ahead and make little holes in my bottle cap using a nail, and you can use a hammer or whatever you have to go ahead and puncture the hole. Or you can use a drill if you have one of those available. But it's really simple. Let me show you. All we're doing is making the hole at a 12 and 6 o'clock position. So I'm going to go ahead and put my little nail on here, and obviously I got wood underneath it here, so it makes it easier. I don't want to go too far in because I want to be able to get my nail back. So look at that. Beautiful. Go ahead, pull your nail out, and you should have a nice hole. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put the nail right back through this hole and going the other way. So just like this. And I like to do this just to keep things simple and also make sure everything aligns just right. Alright, so now literally what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my hole the opposite way. And again, it don't take much. Ta-da! Pull your nail out. And you should have two beautiful holes at 12 and 6 o'clock. What I have here is my little spoon, and I'm going to put my wire on just like so. And I'm going to push it all the way to the top. Beautiful. Then we got our little gold piece here that goes on the wire as well. Woo, isn't that beautiful? And then the most important part, we go ahead and take our bottle cap lure, or our bottle cap, and looky there guys, it is coming together. Tell me this ain't easy. Easy peasy. Then I have my little bead. Go ahead and put that on the wire as well. Look at that. Boom shakalaka. Lastly, all I have to do is go ahead and make my little loop and tie this off with some barrel wraps. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take my little screwdriver here, and I'm going to turn this fairly close. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is get ready to make the barrel wraps. And you don't have to make it just like a haywire twist, guys, because the wire is really thick and it isn't going to come undone. So just regular barrel wraps will hold up just fine, unless you plan on catching monster pelagics or something. I get my pliers and I get a good grip on them, and then I make nice tight barrel wraps. This wire is fairly thick. It's 0.26 millimeters, so it's a fairly thick gauge wire, so just be patient with it. I'm only going to wrap this about 3 times, and that should do the trick just fine. Now let me show you a little trick that you're going to really like, but look how polished that looks. Looks really good. Alright, I'm going to show you a trick on how to get a perfectly clean cut, and you can use this in any application for your shark wire or kingfish wire. So what you want to do is first make a little handle, just like that. Alright. Now what you want to do is bend the wire back towards you and then forward. There it goes. So I bent it back, but you can see now that it's very clean. There's no sharp snag, and it's just clean as can be. But look how gorgeous that is, guys. Now what I'm going to do is add a split ring. A multi-pack of split rings and little split ring pliers are going to be a lifesaver, or at least a time saver in this particular instance. You can get those Amazon. I'll see if I can find the link in the description below. I think I got those at Bass Pro Shop though. So just take your little split ring pliers, give yourself a little gap, just like that. Put your split ring on. Should pop on just like that. Take your split ring pliers, open it back up. That way we could go ahead and get our hook on here. Now this is going to be a freshwater bait, so I got a bronze treble. I believe this is a number 6 treble. And this is going to be perfect for bass fishing. And hopefully you'll see us catch some bass here soon. Look at this. That is the finished product. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a bottle cap lure. Now, what I wanted to show you is I found this nifty little kit. By the way, this is not a sponsored thing, a plug or anything, at mudhole.com. I'll see if I can find the link and I'll post it down below, but I think this kit was like $20, and it comes with the clevis, it comes with the weight, the blades, number 4 or number 6 and number 4 trebles, and also some little wire. So it literally has everything you need. Now you may have to buy additional wire, 6-inch wire, because it only comes with 3-inch wire to complete your task with your bottle cap. But really nifty little pack at mudhole.com. I'll show you again below. Now, hey, if you guys want to see me catch a bass with this particular lure, hit that thumbs up button and let me know below. Think I could catch a fish with one? Also, check out this cool underwater footage of my new lure.